Hello everyone, my name is Umang and I am the team leader of Infinite Loopers for Smart India Hackathon 2025. Did you know that 40% of college students struggle to find internships and placements not because of lack of skills but because of manual, broken and chaotic placement process? Imagine a final year college student missing out an dream internship or placement opportunity because the WhatsApp messages got buried in the college groups. The placement committee spends 80% of their time in manual paperworking instead of actually helping their students. Mentors also lose tracks of who applied where. This choice ends today with our solution UniPlace, India's first AI powered ecosystem for campus placements, transforming internships and placements hunting from manual scavengers hunt to transparent data driven journey. UniPlace isn't just another portal, it's a complete application that solves real world problems. Here's what makes us unique. For students, one digital profile updated once per semester, AI powered job matching based on your actual skills, one click application with real time tracking. For placement cells, automated job management, bulk application processing, and live analytics showing exactly how many students remain unplaced. For mentors, streamlined approval workflows and automated progress tracking. The magic, our AI engine recommendation doesn't just match only keywords. It analyzes skills gaps, CGPA requirements, and even interview success patterns to suggest the perfect recommended opportunities. Zero licensing cost for government institutes because education should be accessible to all. Now let me show you UniPlace in action. This isn't a mock-up. This is our landing page. Now I will click on login and take you to the login page. This is the login page. We have used role-based authentication and provided demo credentials for demo logins. Now let's log in into student page. Welcome to the student dashboard. See this 87% profile completion, 12 applications tracked in real time, 3 upcoming interviews. Everything a student needs at one glance. And now the game changer, our AI job matching. Watch this. I am filtering for engineer roles. Our algorithm has already ranked this based on student skills. Python, machine learning, TensorFlow. See how AI Innovation and Green Tech Limited appears first. That's because it matches 95% of his skill sets. And now one click apply. Boom, the application submitted. But here's what's different. The system automatically notifies the mentor for approval and schedules the interview based on academic calendar integration. We have provided additional features as we are not just solving a problem, we are creating a complete ecosystem. With UniPlace, students can stay updated with deadlines, placement drives in college, and prepare for mock interviews. Also, we have instant notification feature which will help students to stay updated. So now let me switch to placement cell page. Look at this institutional dashboard. 1065 students placed, 45 active jobs and 320 interviews conducted with 150 partner companies. A placement cell can post opportunities, manage all partner companies, track placement drives, and here's the killer feature. Bulk student management with advanced filtering. No more Excel sheets. A placement cell can get complete insights and analytics and manage applications. And finally, logging into the mentor page. In UniPlace, a mentor can see all his mentees, approve applications with context, and track their progresses. That's mentees engagement made simple. In UniPlace, a mentor can help his mentees for the interview preparation, career guidance, and with the skill development processes. And yes, our solution UniPlace is fully responsive. Students in rural colleges can access this on any device anywhere with PWA offline capabilities. So here is why UniPlace will win. Technical excellence, merge stack with Firebase, AI powered recommendation engine using Python machine learning libraries, PWA architecture for offline capabilities. Real impact. We are not just solving a problem, we are creating an ecosystem. Our solution can increase placement rates by 25% and reduce administrative overhead by 70%. Scalability. From 100 students to 1 lakh, our architecture scales. Cloud-based, secure, and built for India's diverse educational landscape. Government-ready, zero licensing barrier, role-based authentication, and complete data privacy compliance. Judges, Uniplace isn't just about solving problem statements. We are revolutionizing India's crores of college students transition from classrooms to career. The future of campus placement is here. The future is Uniplace. Team Infinite Loopers ready to make this reality at SIS 2025 Grand Finals. Thank you.